Across the Gobi Desert, the Great Khan's army's conquering. From the western mountains to the eastern seas, striking fear in all the people, nowhere left to flee. From this mighty Asian empire, the Great Khan sent messengers, searching for truth far away. Mongolia, Mongolia, what's your destiny, Mongolia? Of stolen honor, through the centuries fading, a spirit crushed and broken by an enemy's oppression, like a lost forgotten daughter, desperately awaiting the tender voice of her father, searching with with a sword of truth in your hand. Mighty wave of the love of Jesus, from the mountains to the sea. Mongolia, find your destiny. The truth, drink the light, rise up, be healed and ride once again to the nations with a sword of truth in your hand. A mighty wave of the love of Jesus, from the mountains to the sea. Mongolia, fulfill your destiny. Mongolia, it's your destiny.